What's up, guys? So karma bit me in the ass today. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we installed my new RCI rack. There's a story behind that, why we installed it last minute. But the short of it is, my old rack broke on an off-roading trip, and I luckily got the RCI rack the day that we left for a trip. This trip is just Edgar and I. We are in one vehicle, not two vehicles this time. And yeah, I was kind of hoping to get out of like the Denver area and leave around noon. We're kind of hoping to make it all the way to Pagosa Springs today to see a friend. And we ended up leaving at 3:30, which means we're not going to make it. As of right now, we're at an hour away from a campsite we randomly found on iOverlander, which is a source I usually use to find all my dispersed campsites. So tonight we're going to camp out of Buena Vista instead of trying to make it as far, because we just don't want to try to find a campsite in the dark. As of right now, we're going to be showing up around just before 7 o'clock tonight. But yeah, I've always never liked the whole last minute thing, and I've always made fun of people for getting everything ready at the last minute. And here I am, karma's biting me. Two things are going to hit me today. A, we either get to camp in the dark, and B, we got started extreme last minute, which I don't like doing. I don't like rushing through and getting out. But yeah, this is gonna be a good trip. We're going down through Pagosa Springs. We're gonna take the $1 Million Highway tomorrow and check out Telluride, Ouray, and Montrose, and hopefully make it to Grand Mesa tomorrow to camp out again. Nice little 2-night trip, big loop, should be fun. Come join us. What's up, guys? So we made it to our first campsite here outside of Buena Vista. I'm gonna have to get back to you guys later in the video to let you know what national forest I'm in, because I don't know. We don't know. We didn't see a sign that said which one we're in. I can make guesses. I can guess maybe Roosevelt, Pike, Rio Grande, one of those three. Anyways, so we're set up here, kind of getting a little bit rained on, but we're all set up. Got the awning, which is pretty nice, which we haven't really been able to pull out stuff because, well, everything, and kind of make room for ourselves to sit because of the rain. But I got some new kit. I switched out my grill because I kind of hated it for this setup, this Coleman. New cast iron. I also went from one tote, or two totes, to one tote. It's on. And I have a few more kitchen things. But I also, go figure, again, I also have a new cooler. Picked up the Orca after watching some reviews. Should work out really well. Anyways, we're gonna hide out from the rain, as much as it is raining, and cook up some burgers. Look at this view. It is a beautiful morning. Sun's just coming up. We woke up about 6 o'clock. And it is definitely a good view this morning. Good view last night, better one this morning, no cloud cover at all. So we're gonna make some coffee. Forgo the breakfast to try to find some breakfast burritos in Pagosa. That is about 2 hours away. And then drive up the $1 Million Highway between Durango and Montrose. So we did find out last night we are in San Isabel National Forest in this area. Just to the west of us is some BLM land, but where we are at is San Isabel. So I was wrong on pretty much every guess. I forgot about that national park or forest. And yeah, that's this beautiful area, San Isabel. I can chalk another one off my list. Check another one off my list. What's up, guys? We made it to campsite number 2. We are currently at the top of Grand Mesa. The view from the campsite is overlooking another part of the mesa, and we are at the flat bit. That is a paved road over there. There's a lot of mosquitoes apparently too. Get the bug spray out and spray myself because I don't want to get eaten alive here. But it's a pretty nice little spot. We kind of just took the first spot we could find because second spot, the first spot was just cows everywhere. I didn't want to deal with that again. Cow dung and cows, which would have meant more flies than this, but there's a lot of flies here too. Yeah, so I'm gonna spray myself with bug spray. It's a pretty good spot. We kind of drove around for the last hour and a half trying to find something because apparently everyone in Colorado is camping now. Kind of been noticing that when we go to the sporting goods stores and the camping supplies are just down to nothing. But anyways, we're gonna set up here, spray ourselves down with bug spray because the mosquitoes are pretty bad, and start getting ready to cook some dinner. We're gonna have some tacos tonight and beer. No need for the awning, there's no rain, and it's not, we're already in the shade in these aspens. I'll show you around the front of the truck. We're in this nice grove here. It's pretty nice setup. It's obviously a little popular. I'm surprised it's empty. This was kind of built this year and there's already a few people signing it. But all in all, it's not a bad spot. It's like a really pretty site. And yeah, we're just gonna sit back and chill and head home in the morning. Thanks for watching.